Okay, today I will be showing you how to make the origami paper balloon. To make the paper balloon, you need to make a square. Yes, I use printed on paper, just recycling. You need to make a square. To make a square, you need to take this edge and this corner, put it down, fold it down to here, and make a triangle. Let's do it. Okay, use scissors or your fingernail to make the crease through sensitive. Alright, take this extra piece of paper, fold it up to here, crease it down. You can cut this off or lick it and tear it, which I prefer to lick it. Once you've licked it, just rip it off like this. And you have, open it up and you have a square. If you look inside the square, you see a line, a diagonal line. Well, we're going to make an X in a minute. So take this corner, the diagonal line, and this corner, and make the meet. Then make a crease right here. Make sure it's nice and sharp. Crease. Once you have that X in the middle, I want you to flip the model over, press this point down, this should pop up, fold it in half, hot dog style, make it do a crease, open the model up, fold it over, push the point down. As you see, these sides want to come in, so we're gonna take them in. We're gonna push them in, and then push it down. Make sure all the creases are good. You see that, as you'll notice, there's two flaps right here. Take one of those two flaps, take the point, put it right up here, crease it down real good, and do the same with the other leftover three sides. Once you have that, look at your model. It should be a diamond with these on each end, on both ends. Once you have that, you still have two flaps right here. Take the top flap, and you see this middle line right here, middle separated part. Fold the corner, this corner, as you see, this flap. Take the corner to the middle part, crease it down. Do the same with the other three sides. And it should look like this now, the model. Flip it over. Okay? Then, as you see, there's still flapping things over here. There's still flaps here. And if you look at this fold that we have just made a while ago, you can see that there's a pocket right here. Can you see that? Pocket right there. Pocket right there. Okay, what you want to do is take this flap, and put it inside that pocket. Make sure this edge right here lines up with the edge inside of here. So just, and then do the same with all the other sides. Okay, I'm gonna just put it down. Crease that pretty good. The same with the remaining two sides. Open pocket. Push flap in. Open pocket. Push flap in. And then once you'll have a model like this, you'll see a hole right here. To blow it, you might want to rip it and make it a bit bigger. Right here. And just blow into that hole. And while you're blowing, push the opposite end in and then hold it like this, right? Like that. It will help make it blow. Having a little problem. Let's just do this. There we go. And you can make a dice out of this by rolling the edges of this like this. Like just turning the edges into this. With everything else. Clothing is quite simple. Just, if you have a pencil or something, just poke it in the middle. And the point should pop out at the opposite end. And just stick your finger through this. And there you go, it's closed. And there you have your paper balloon.